We're going to hear from Mr. Pai about his experience, about his observations on the cooperative banking sector, its progress, and how he sees it marching towards financial intelligence and technological excellence.
Just to begin with, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mr. MD Pai, Dr. MD Pai. I had a varied experience of 46 years in the cooperative banking sectors, from grassroots level to the top management. And over last 14 years, I was working as a MD and CEO of leading multi-state scheduled cooperative bank. And I've seen the various phases of banking. When I started in 1978, it was a desk banking. Then we moved to mechanical banking. Mechanical means what is that? Accounting, all these things. That time my bank was quite, they're looking much ahead regarding technology. Then computerization, single. Then CBS, then digital, and now artificial intelligence. So in all these phases, I got the experience and I observed that so far as the technology is concerned, of course now cooperative banks are in the pace with the new technological era. But it was quite late we started. About 20 years back when the private sector or new age commercial bank, they started the banking, they directly started with the CBS. So they got the what you call that edge advantage over others. And even a big cooperative also, it took long time to move to the new technology. And even 10 years back also, many banks were not moved to CBS. Regulator compelled them.
Right.
You do, I think you must be aware.
Yes.
Now this new technology, AI, it's a new topic for all cooperatives. I personally feel many, particularly cooperatives, they have still to be implemented this one. But so far as my ex-bank is concerned, I'm actually ex-banker now. We initiated to certain extent, particularly for generating MIS data, detection of fraud risk, what do you call that, observations of your abnormal transaction, just abnormal transactions, and ALM on all these things. So it's just a beginning.
Right.
But time will come, we have to move this technology for our banking operations. Huh. Another question is related to that. It's the manpower, skilled manpower. At the same time, to reduce the our existing man, because see the now the thinking is that this AI will replace our existing manpower. There, yeah, there is some opposition has already started in public sector bank because manpower will be reduced. Nobody will like no to leave the job, banking job as such. Of course, now bank job is not that much attractive as in the old cases because so it is still in what you call say very primary stage.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, couple of questions for you, if we may. When it comes to absorbing technology, it's not that difficult to find a technology company and test the software and install the software. But when it comes for users to start using the newer technology, whether it is a core banking system or an AI system or a fraud detection system or an abnormal transactions managing system, what kind of uh, skills and training challenges do you see? Has the sector observed? And is the sector getting better at overcoming the technology absorption challenges? Are the younger people who might be entering the sector getting smarter?
As I earlier told you, the technology was started quite late in cooperative banking sector, even in bigger banks at present. It was quite late. I remember about 15 years back when the board used to take the decision to start with CBS. It was treated as a very big achievement. अरे हम लोग CBS में गए, हम लोग CBS किया. But now everything is old now. अभी digital payment. Now your next question is that regarding absorbing the technology. See, I'm sure, or my experience is, our existing manpower in the sector are not that much capable to absorb the new technology because they are working in the traditional banking. Mindset, see, anything, no, any change requires the mindset. Mindset requires to be properly and change towards the new innovations. And of course, trainer is also equally, what you call, he should be equally equipped with all the knowledge and all these things. ऐसे तो ट्रेनिंग बहुत होते हैं कोऑपरेटिव में. हमारा रिजर्व बैंक का ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज है, वेमनी कॉम है, बट आज वहाँ भी ऐसे हो रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड ट्रेनर्स बिकॉज वहाँ भी जो ट्रेनर्स है देने वाले हैं वो भी इतने ये नहीं है न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी से लेने के. इसलिए होता है क्या कि we go to the sessions, we go to the all this training session, but expected result is not there. The first change is required to change the mindset of the employees and see that you select the good, knowledgeable officials from your bank, and with the expenses, the bank will spend the what you call that training. They will take the care of the training expenditure. भले कितना भी cost रहने दो.
Right.
And it will like an online training and
Okay.
yes.
So are the bank employees, typical bank employees, are they comfortable with online training, digital trainings, rather than face-to-face person?
No, I'm this as a CEO also I was facing. See this online offline what you call that sessions were started during COVID.
Right.
Yeah, during COVID period, yes, it was a good. But my experience is to that particularly what you call that period. Yes, because everything was restricted. Even courts were working on online digital platform, including our top courts. But the proper deliberations, expressions, your views were not. It is not a what you call that interaction was not as comfortable in digital because many times suddenly हमने कितना भी बोला हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस है और सडनली वहाँ कुछ
Facing that problem.
you are facing this problem.
Live.
Yeah, so suddenly क्या बोलता है आदमी का चेहरा ही नहीं दिखता है, आवाज हो जाता है, रिपीटेशन होता है, तो उसमें क्या होता है द टोन ऑफ आवर डेलिब्रेशन और जो एक जो ये रहता है एक्सप्रेशन रहता है वो निकल जाता है. And that's why I think now our regulators as well as IT also they made it compulsory. No, you have to come to office. See, advantages were there, but you cannot replace the person. अभी मनोज जी मैं आप मुझे यही सेशन मुझे ऑनलाइन देते थे, तो ये इतना एक्सप्रेशन होता था क्या?
Could be different.
हाँ, क्योंकि जब आपके ऊपर कैमरा जाएगा तभी आपको मालूम पड़ेगा तो आप हंस रहे हो.
If the camera is here, then
Yeah.
correct.
So I personally feel okay that phase is over now, but personal discussion like this like हमने एक टाइम बैंकिंग फ्रंटियर का अवार्ड आपको याद रहेगा हम लोग ऑनलाइन दिया था.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, you remember? I attended from my home, but वो मजा नहीं आया. आपने कुछ डिजिटल किए थे,
No choice.
चॉइस नहीं था. सही म्यूजिकल इवेंट्स उस वक्त तो ऑनलाइन ही होते थे, बट लाइव शो का ये नहीं आता है ना. सो आई पर्सनली फील दैट डजंट मीन आई एम नॉट अ प्रोग्रेसिव, आई डोंट हैव प्रोग्रेसिव थॉट्स. ऐसा आप कुछ मत निकालो, डोंट थिंक इन दैट वे, बट पर्सनल डिस्कशन गिव्स अ वेरी.
And I think for the cooperative banking sector, that has been your USP, that you give a lot of.
No, in cooperative my experience is the board himself they are not accepting. नहीं उनको इधर ही बुलाओ, हमारे सामने बुलाओ.
Okay. It's very person to person, face to face.
Then अरे उनको सामने बुलाओ, मैं बराबर लेता हूँ. It's like that.
Fair enough.
Okay, it's not a comment.
So I think Phygital might better express
Yeah, yes.
roadmap,
Yes.
the vision for.
पर्सनल डिस्कशन में मनोज जी मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपके टॉक्स में और डिलिब्रेशन में कंटिन्यूटी रहती है
Right.
unless and until your technology is so strong. अभी भी रूरल एरिया में आई विजिटेड सम बैंक्स इन ड्यूरिंग माय विजिट्स टू स्टेट अभी भी वहाँ टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम है.
So you're right. In fact, that goes back to the second panel discussion we had about cloud versus on-prem.
Regarding cloud, I have still my certain views
Yeah.
because sir is there. Uh, no, no. See, why sir? I'm telling you. I heard few days in the news. It is a leading newspaper that during this our war, no, Pak war,
Ring?
war,
War, okay.
we are concentrating on attack through drone and क्या बोलते हैं Rafale missile. But over 10 lakhs cyber attacks were there in India.
Hmm.
I think you must be knowing.
Right, right.
One cooperative bank from Himachal was hit. They lost 12 more than 12 crores. One some bank from Delhi. Because in cooperative bank, what happened? They use various platforms of this private sector and banks for their all other facilities, say RTGS, NEFT, digital payment. And it's a very common if that bank is attacked, means sponsored bank,
Mhm.
it goes to ultimately loss to the small banks.
Okay.
And here, I'm not a proper, but I read that the cloud technology was selected.
I see. Okay.
This is see, that's why, and this question was put by regulator to me personally.
Uh-huh.
On what ground you are going for the cloud? What risk mitigation you took? How you selected? Don't go on the vendor's brand name. They clearly told us.
Hmm.
And I was involved in the discussion at a regulatory level as well as prop level. So technology is there, but at the same time, now this AI, I personally feel, I remember during our earlier period, अरे आपके सिस्टम में फायरवॉल है क्या?
Hmm. Yes.
हम पूछते थे हाँ फायरवॉल है करके. अभी वो सब अभी फायरवॉल तोड़ के भी पूरे अंदर ही जाते हैं, वो भी टेक्नोलॉजी पूरी होगी. सो टेक्नोलॉजी शुड बी प्रॉपरली, आई पर्सनली फील इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली टेस्टेड, इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली सिक्योर्ड. And security means not that security, the monitoring of security is required, totally required. Other cyber, आप ही देखो अभी you just read, take the today's paper, you will find so many cyber attacks are going. We are just, regulators are just collecting the data, but money is not recovered.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's also.
You tell me where money is recovered. Digital payment, more than 47 lakh crores lakhs where transactions were ये लास्ट फाइनेंशियल में पर पैसा कितना गया वो उसको ऊपर देखते नहीं है. सो एट वन टाइम वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन द टेक्नोलॉजी, एट द सेम टाइम वंस अगेन आर यू प्रोटेक्टिंग द डिपॉजिटरी इंटरेस्ट.
That's key.
Few years back, 10 years back, one bank is a very known, Cosmos, they were 300 crores they lost, but of course depositors were not, the bank took the hit. So I personally feel this AI technology also, it's a good, no doubt. There is a case that with this technology, when one hospital in Mumbai, they use this for operations, surgery.
Okay.
Maybe robot वगैरह कुछ रहेगा.
Robotic.
Because I had an interaction with that doctor.
Okay.
With every specialist. So security is required. और accountability, इसमें आप किसको पकड़ेंगे?
Correct.
Accountability is also required. No, is the vendor is accountable in respect of manual? Yes, you can pinpoint the accountability. Vendor accountable उसको कर सकते हैं क्या? Who will bear the loss? So these are the constraints, but there is no choice. We have to go with this technology.
So I think that was a preview of the opportunities and the challenges that the cooperative banks will face. The financial intelligence and the technological excellence is a solution. But what problems does it address and what problems does it not address? I think that is key.
Yeah, it will increase the efficiency, it will increase the productivity, no doubt about that. Accuracy सब हो जाएगा. मगर फिर भी accuracy में भी reconciliation में कुछ कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो you know the
So essentially what you're saying, what I'm understanding from what you're saying, the tangible benefits or the tangible challenges are clear,
yeah.
but it is the intangibles of accountability and cyber hacking and other kinds of challenges that
Yes.
need to be addressed, which are not
Properly.
completely within the technology domain.
Yeah. We say that we are हमारा डाटा प्रोटेक्टेड है, we are secured. ऑडिट होता है, आईटी ऑडिट छोड़ दो, डाटा सिक्योरिटी ऑडिट भी कंपलसरी किया अभी रेगुलेटर ने. बट फिर भी अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज द रिपोर्ट, समरी रिपोर्ट ऑफ ऑडिट, nobody is responsible.
Difficult to pin response.
Absolutely.
Take it. Sounds good.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you, Pai sir. Thank you
Alright,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you for
Thank-
this curtain raiser for FCBA. Looking forward to all cooperative
It
banks.
should not be curtain, should not come down, it should raise.
And anyone who is not from the cooperative banking sector but wants to attend the conference, wants to mingle with the cooperative banks, whether it's insurance companies or banks or NBFCs, please contact the Banking Frontiers team and we can see how we can facilitate your participation in the conference.
Anybody from the participant, those who are maybe banker or NBFC are there, no, those who have used this technology, if they can share their views, definitely it will. This technology we have used any bank. I think cooperative bank participants are. I know that it is just started in cooperative, but particularly private sector NBFC, if you already use this technology, please share your views to us, to DIAS, please.
Sure. Thank you so much.